Hi, I'm Mike Hancock with Hancock Injury Attorneys, and I want to answer the question that a lot of my potential clients have, and that is, do I need an attorney to represent me in my personal injury case? Uh, the way I would answer that is this. There are certain cases that you might not need an attorney to represent you, uh, but I would always advise that before you speak with anyone from either your insurance company or the other at-fault party's insurance company, I would always advise and say it's necessary for your best interest to talk with an attorney before you do so. Now, let me give you an idea of why I think in the majority of cases it's necessary for you to have an attorney to represent you. And I'll give you one example that just came up last week. And it really made me mad, but it's just an example of what we deal with on a daily basis. I have a nice young client who was recently in a car crash. She was traveling down a main thoroughfare, and she was properly traveling in the center of 3 lanes. And somebody pulled out from a business on the side of the road and pulled out directly in front of my client. My client jammed on her brakes, honked her horn, and ended up T-boning the person that pulled out in front of her. And so while we thought that this would be just your typical claim in which the insurance company, and in this case, the insurance company was USAA, so a company that we think is a very good company in general. But a claim that we thought would be a claim where the insurance company would accept 100% fault. I get a call from the insurance adjuster and telling me and my client that they were only willing to pay 70% of my client's property damage to repair her vehicle because the insurance adjuster, had placed 30% fault on my client, even though the other party that ran out in front of her got a ticket for doing so. So we run across the ridiculous positions of insurance adjusters, on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. And that is one reason that in reality, you're going to need a personal injury attorney to represent you. If you have any more questions, give me a call. Mike Hancock, Hancock Injury Attorneys. Call me at 813-915-1110. I'd be happy to get on the phone with you and discuss whatever legal issue you are having regarding a personal injury claim.